Hey guys and gals, this is Brian with Goose Gear. We are standing here in front of the Land Cruiser LC250. This is the new first edition, and we just completed the rear plate for this vehicle. We are going to be working on second row seat deletes, of course, like we did on the 80 series, 100 series, 200 series, and those will be coming later this year. But for today, we're talking about solo fridge slides. So this is our solo fridge slide, and it is designed exclusively by us, for us, and bolts to all of our plate systems. So if you have a rear plate in a 4Runner, a Jeep, a Land Cruiser, whatever you have, this product will bolt into that direct. And we have nice, clean, smooth action, lock in, lock out slide. There is a cutting board option also, so if you want to have a cutting board, it's completely removable. You can clean it, take it inside. If you do clean it, you know, there's some rules and process on that, which is going to be in another video. And then we do have a little line here, and that's basically the stop mark. So that way you still have some rigidity. If you keep it there, it'll be nice and strong. And basically you're following the blood groove right to the edge, and that's where it's nice and safe. It does lock in nice and tight, doesn't rattle, perfect for just the quick, easy access. So now we're going to begin the fridge slide installation. So solo fridge slide installation, you're going to take this and you can slide this fridge slide out all the way. And as you look in here, you're going to see we have all of our mounting points, which are the same mounting points we use for all the modules. Single drawers, double drawers, camp kitchens, side-by-sides. These anchor points are all over the vehicle. And you can see two of them right here fall in these two slots. So we have slots, numerous slots for all of the fridge slides in the front and in the back. And the reason we did that is because we want you to have the ability to put this where you want it. So with this fridge slide, if you want to slide this all the way back and you want to stuff something in the front, recovery gear or something else, small bag, whatever, you can do that up there. If you want to push it further back, you can take this fridge slide and push it way, way back until it's just hitting the seat, and you have more room clearance here if you wanted to do that. So put the anchors in and the slots in so you can put it where you want it. When you're installing this product, you want to make sure you're catching at least one bolt in every corner, right? You want to have, every corner needs to have a bolt. If you get two bolts and it happens to line up just perfect, and you can fit two here, two there, and two there, and two there, 8 bolts is what it comes with. That's great, even more secure. But one bolt per corner is more than enough to keep this safe and secure. The only tool you're going to need is a 7/16" wrench socket. Either one will work just fine. The hardware kit is going to consist of 8 quarter 20 by 3/4 bolts, 8 lock washers, and 8 extra thick fender washers. This is going to help distribute the load, and we went with extra thick to make it even stronger, so that way it keeps everything nice and tight and secure. So now that we have this in place, all you're going to do is you're going to go in, and it's better if you have 2 people, obviously, because then you have a little more stability, but you can take, I'm a little bit tall so I can reach, and just get that started. And most of the time you'll thread in kind of finger tight like that. Sometimes it might be a little tighter. It's not a big deal. Just get it started, use your wrench, and get it bolted down, and just make sure it's secure. When you go to tighten this down after you get the bolts all in place, you put them in, just get them into where they're close. There's a little bit of a gap, that way you can still move the solo slip fridge slide around. Once you go to tighten it, take the wrench and just tighten it down until it stops, and then just give it like a quarter turn more so it's nice and snug. The bed liner material we use is a proprietary blend for us. The coating process that we use is proprietary, and that's what we get a really nice, fine, consistent texture. But it's also a good rubbery grip. So when you tighten this down, it's going to compress that bed liner material, and it's actually going to work as like a lock washer, and it helps keep everything from squeaking. So it's actually just like the perfect product for this. So once you get that in, tighten it all down, cycle your fridge slide, make sure everything's good, you're ready to go camping.